Like many other organizations, your security team may feel burdened by the effort to quickly analyze, classify, remediate, and respond to employee-reported phishing emails. To help your security team automate the employee-reported phishing process and alleviate manual operations, Abnormal delivers the AI Security Mailbox, an autonomous AI solution powered by Abnormal's human behavior AI engine. The solution streamlines security operations by triaging, remediating, and transforming how your security team responds to employee-reported emails. It integrates with your current report workflow, providing timely and effective communication for all reported messages and automatically remediating the entire phishing campaign. With AI Security Mailbox, your security team has access to a personalized AI security analyst responsible for generating and dispatching AI-generated feedback to individual reporters about the underlying reasons behind the classification of the reported messages. Your security team can quickly personalize the AI security analyst by providing with a name and custom instructions about the organization needs and regulations. The chat interface allows your security team to interact with the AI security analyst and ask questions to make sure it understands your custom instructions. Using simple terms, the AI security analyst explains why the reported message was considered safe or malicious, highlighting key aspects of the message to support the classification. Employees are free to engage with the AI security analyst, asking follow-up questions to better understand the classification of the reported message. This is a delightful experience that the security team can deliver to all employees while creating targeted awareness and education, also improving the effectiveness and visibility of the Security Operations Center, encouraging phishing reporting and supporting a healthy cybersecurity culture. Security teams no longer need to investigate, remediate, or customize the response for each employee-reported message. The AI Security Mailbox leverages human behavior AI to automatically analyze and remediate reported emails with full visibility into each submission. It provides tailored insights designed to educate employees to recognize suspicious email activity and influence positive changes in cybersecurity awareness. Want to know more? Request your personalized demo today.